Understand actions. Actions are the steps or tasks you want your RPA bot to perform once a specific trigger event occurs. Zoho RPA supports a wide variety of actions to build powerful automations. Let's start with the RPA Actions tab. Here, you'll find various action categories to automate different applications and processes. Windows App Actions. These actions let you automate tasks directly on your Windows applications, like clicking buttons or filling out forms. Web Automation Actions. Similarly, these allow you to automate tasks within web browsers, such as scraping data from websites or filling out web forms. MS Excel Actions. Designed specifically for Microsoft Excel, these actions enable you to automate spreadsheet tasks like creating new sheets, reading or writing data, filtering data, or running macros. File and Folder Actions. As the name suggests, these actions help you efficiently manage your files or folders. You can perform tasks like creating new folders or zipping them. OCR Automation. This feature lets you read text from image files. PDF Automation. This feature lets you extract text from PDF documents. Please note, for Mac and Linux RPA agents, only web automation actions are supported. Windows RPA agents support all actions under this category. Moving to the Cloud Apps tab, this section lets you integrate automation with 900+ cloud applications. This capability, powered by Zoho Flow, enables you to fetch or pass data to and from various cloud services. Please note that the usage of these integrations will be based on your Zoho Flow subscription limits. Finally, the Logic section provides actions to enhance your workflow. You can create custom variables to store and use dynamic data within your flow. Set up email notifications to alert you in case of errors or specific events. Decisions allows you to introduce branching logic, allowing your RPA flow to take different paths based on conditions. For advanced scenarios, custom functions let you add your own custom logic to your RPA flow. Now that you've seen an overview of all the powerful actions available, let's dive into the next section to learn how to build RPA flows.